I thank President Biden, U.S. Secretary of Commerce Gina Raimondo and the full administration as well as members of Congress for their bipartisan support of the CHIPS and Science Act, which is an important step toward solidifying American semiconductor leadership for decades to come. I am honored to take part in this historic White House bill signing ceremony with them and fellow executives. Says, Micron President and CEO Sanjay Mehrotra. For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.